How to send multiple photos on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Click on Compose located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then, simply click on Clip Like option at the top right. Then click on Photos. Then you will find your gallery pop-up. Simply select the pictures and press on Add at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then type in to whom you want to send, subject, and press on Send by clicking on the arrow at the top right. After that, you're good to go. This is how to send multiple photos on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.